Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we had completed the last chapter, that was algebraic expressions. Now continuing that, now we are going to study new chapter in today's video, that is chapter number 4, simple equations. Now equations I had made you to do it in class 6 also. Few equations I had made you to do there also, but here particularly simple equations chapter is being there in class 7. So first in chapter number algebraic expression, I had told that what is the difference between expression and equation. At that time also I had mentioned, again we'll start with that only, that if I am writing 4x plus 5y plus 3, then it is having how many terms? 3 terms. It is a trinomial also, and it can be called as polynomial also, but it is an expression, not an equation. Equation, it will happen when it will be having an equal to sign. So this can be called as expressions. And if I write 4x plus 3 is equal to 10, so the sign equal to is being there, means it is divided into LHS and RHS, then it comes as an equation. तो एक्सप्रेशन और इक्वेशन में खास ध्यान रखना है, नो नीड टू गेट कंफ्यूज. एक्सप्रेशन you will be not having equal to sign, means it will be not divided into LHS and RHS, but in equation equal to sign will be there, and because of that it will be divided into LHS and RHS. That is the main difference between expression and equation. एक्सप्रेशन में equal to sign नहीं होती है, एक्सप्रेशन में नहीं होती है, and इक्वेशन में equal to sign होती है. So this is what we are going to do in this chapter. It's very simple chapter, just the basic things I had made you to do it in class 6. Again we will revise it and we'll try to make this chapter as easy as we can. So without wasting time, we'll directly move to exercise number 4.1. In 4.1, the first question is given, in which equation is being given and value of the variable is being given which is being used. Like for example, first one, it's x plus 3 is equal to 0, where the value of x is given 3. That is the first question. No need to draw the table, we will solve it in this manner only. And the next column it is being given that say whether the equation is satisfied. Satisfied means x की वैल्यू जो 3 है वो यहाँ पे हम रखेंगे, तो आंसर अगर 0 आया उसका मतलब होता है कि x की वैल्यू जो 3 दी है दैट इज करेक्ट. बट इफ by putting the value of x is equal to 3 and if we are not getting the answer as 0, then the value of x is equal to 3 is wrong. That is what we have to do. वहाँ पे yes no लिखने के लिए दिया है, we will write it in another way, no need to draw the table and all. So first we will put x is equal to 3, so 0 we will put it, we will not put there. Okay, let us divide it into LHS. So LHS is what? X plus 3, so we will put the value of x is equal to 3 plus 3, that comes to 6, but RHS is what? 0. LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore x is not equal to 3. अगर हमें x की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करके इक्वल टू के बाद जो भी दिया है, if we are getting that answer, then that value of x is equal to whatever it is being given. But here we had found that after substituting the value of x is equal to 3, we are getting the answer as 6, but here it is given the answer as 0. It means x is not equal to 0. x की वैल्यू जो 3 दी है that is not correct. Same way second one is being given, again same equation, x plus 3 is equal to 0, where x is equal to 0, the value is being given. So again LHS is x plus 3, so 0 plus 3 is 3. Now again what we can write, that therefore LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore X is not equal to 0. जब हमारा आंसर 0 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा एट दैट टाइम जो x की वैल्यू दी है दैट विल बी करेक्ट. सेम वे थर्ड वन same equation x plus 3 is equal to 0 where x is equal to minus 3. So we'll substitute the value x plus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 and plus minus is minus and 3 minus 3 is 0. So LHS में भी 0 आया, RHS में भी 0 दिया ही है. So what we can write, therefore LHS is equal to RHS and therefore X is equal to minus 3. Then यहाँ पे देखो 6 आ रहा था, here it was coming 3 but we wanted the answer as 0. So we got the answer as 0 by what? By putting the value of X is equal to minus 3. So the same thing we have to do for the rest of the sums. Fourth one, the equation has changed. X minus 7 is equal to 1 where the value of X is given, that is 7. So we'll put the value LHS is equal to X minus 7. So 7 minus 7 that comes to 0 but we want the answer as 1. So therefore what we can write, that LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore X is not equal to 7. हमें जो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में जो आंसर दिया है वही आंसर हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जब मिलेगा देन वी कैन से दैट दे आर इक्वल. LHS is equal to RHS as we got in third one. So there we can write that X is equal to minus 3 but here we are not getting the answer as 1, therefore it is not equal. Fifth one, if we will say again the same equation is being given. So X minus 7 is equal to 1 where the value of X is given, that is 8. So LHS is equal to X minus 7. We'll substitute the value of X is equal to 8 minus 7, that is coming to 1. That is what is given in RHS. So therefore we can write down that LHS is equal to RHS and therefore X is equal to 8. Then sixth one, 5x is equal to 25 where the value of X is given, that is 0. So the same process we have to do it. Therefore LHS is equal to 5x. So instead of x we'll put there 0. 5x means it is 5 into x, so 5 zeros are it is 0 but we want the answer as 25 which we are not getting. So what we will write, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore X is not equal to 0. So the same way you have to go on doing the sums. So 6th and 7th you have to do it by placing the value, you find out whether you are getting it or not. Then 9th one I am doing just one sum of it, that it is given m upon 3 is equal to 6 where the value of m is given, that is minus 6. So again the same process, LHS, that is m upon 3. So m upon 3 means minus 6 upon 3. So when you will divide, 3 ones are and 3 twos are, but as here it is minus sign, so the answer that is coming, that is minus 2, but here it is given only 2. So therefore what we can write, that LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore m is not equal to minus 6. One more I am doing, 10th one, again same equation where the value of m is given, that is 0. So again LHS is equal to m upon 3. Instead of m we'll place it as 0. 0 divided by 3, the answer is 0 but we want the answer as 2. So therefore what we can write, LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore m is not equal to 0. देन हियर यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है कि हम ज़ीरो को कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 3 zeros are is 0, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर एज 0, बट वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय 0। हम 3 को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, इट विल बी रिटन एज नॉट डिफाइंड। ओके, सो वो खास याद रखना है, 0 को हम कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कोई भी नंबर होगा उसको हम 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। इफ़ यू विल फॉलो दिस रूल प्रॉपरली देयर विल बी नो मिस्टेक इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। खास ध्यान रखना है, 0 से हम कभी भी कोई भी नंबर को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन 0 को हम कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। 0 से नहीं कर सकते, 0 को कर सकते हैं। ओके, को एंड से, जस्ट बी वेरी केयरफुल ओवर देयर। Now again question number 2 is being given based on same type of equations. It is given, check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. So again equation is being given. First one, it's n plus 5 is equal to 19, where the value of n is given as 1. So what we have to do, the same process, LHS is equal to n plus 5. Now the value of n we are having 1 plus 5, which is coming as 6. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore n is not equal to 1. Then same way, second one, it's 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, where the value of n is given as minus 2. So our LHS is 7n plus 5. Be in the habit of putting the negative integer into the bracket so that there will be no mistake. Now 7 2s is 14, but minus plus is minus plus 5. So minus plus is minus, so 14 minus 5 is 9, as 14 is greater with negative sign, so minus 9, and we want the answer as 19, but it is not coming, so that's why we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore n is not equal to minus 2. Then simple, nothing hard. Then third one is also same equation, you can do it by putting the value. Fourth one I am doing now, that's 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, where the value of p is given, that is 1. The same thing, LHS is equal to 4p minus 3, so 4, the value of p is 1, minus 3, so 4 minus 3, it's 1, but here it is given 13, it means it is not equal, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore p is not equal to 1. Fifth one is same equation, 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, but the value of p here it is given, that is minus 4. So we'll find out LHS is equal to 4p minus 13. So 4 into minus 4 minus 13. So 4 4s are is 16, and minus, so minus 16 minus 13, that comes to minus minus is plus. So 26 plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 10 is 29, but minus 29, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore p is not equal to minus 4. And the last one in that you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 3 is being given. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method means, student, we have to टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ द गिवन वेरिएबल वॉट एवर वी वांट और ट्राई करते जाना है जब तक उसका आंसर नहीं आता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फर्स्ट वन 5p plus 2 is equal to 17। नाउ p की वैल्यू क्या लेंगे 17 आएगा, दैट इज नॉट गिवन, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्राइंग एंड गेटिंग द एरर इन इट, और लास्ट में हमको आंसर कहीं ना कहीं पे तो 17 मिलेगा। सो वी विल ट्राई दैट इफ p is equal to 1, okay, we'll try that p is equal to, if p is equal to 1 then LHS is equal to what, 5p plus 2, so 5 into 1 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2 as 7. We are not getting 17, therefore p is not equal to 1. Now no need to put LHS RHS. Again we will try same, 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Now if we take, if p is equal to 2, so again we'll put LHS is equal to 5p plus 2, so what we'll put the value of p, 2 plus 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, we are not getting 17, so therefore p is not equal to 2. Again we'll try 5p plus 2 is equal to 7 if p is equal to 3. So if we do LHS, it's 5p plus 2, so 5 3s are plus 2, so 5 3s are is 15 plus 2, that comes to 17, and therefore we can say that p is equal to 3. So this is called trial and error method. We have taken the value of p, 1 लिया नहीं है, 2 लिया नहीं है, now by taking 3 we are getting the correct आंसर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड. हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एरर आ रहा है, ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एरर आ रहा है, बट फाइनली वी विल गेट समवेयर द आंसर व्हाट इज बीइंग गिवन इन द इक्वेशन. सो देयर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल विल बी दैट. Okay, so that was question number 3. In that first one I had done. Now second one, again you have to do it in the same manner. There it is given 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Same way, first take, if it is given m, so m is equal to 1, put it into the LHS and see we are getting the answer. No, then it is not equal. Try by 2 if you are getting the answer. Try by 3, 4, like that you have to go on trying, and finally you will get the answer that m is equal to what. Okay, so this much in this video. In the next video we'll continue with the exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.